As I reflect on my own journey, I am deeply grateful for the guidance of several extraordinary mentors who played pivotal roles in shaping my own career and intellectual outlook. Mentorship is the bedrock of professional growth, particularly in the legal profession, where the transmission of knowledge, values, and skills from one generation to another shapes the future of justice. As I reflect on my own journey, I am deeply grateful for the guidance of several extraordinary mentors who played pivotal roles in shaping my own career and intellectual outlook. Each of them imparted invaluable lessons that continue to influence my approach to law and justice. I take the liberty, therefore, to name names, drop names. And the first individual who comes to mind is my tutor, Geoffrey Hackney, Emeritus Fellow and the Keeper of Archives at Wadham College, University of Oxford. Hackney taught me property law, trusts, and legal history at Oxford, and this year marks the 41st year of my unbroken bond with him. With his unparalleled understanding of jurisprudence, Geoffrey Hackney has been the keeper of my jurisprudential conscience, ensuring that my legal reasoning remains firmly rooted in sound principles and is a product of intellectual rigor. Geoffrey remains my professional confidant, and no visit of mine to Oxford is ever complete without having lunch with him at college. The second person I would like to mention is who was a member of this bar decades ago, but appears to have been long forgotten because of the vicissitudes of history. And that individual is Barrister Abdul Hussain Muhammad Haider Mota, who, with his meticulous attention to detail, taught me the craft of legal drafting, a skill essential for clarity and precision in the legal profession. A hard taskmaster and a stickler for perfection, Barrister Haider Mota was my superior in my first job as a lawyer in London's financial district, the City. Barrister Haider Mota, along with Dr. Kamal Hussain, was the founding partner of the law firm, Dhaka law firm, Haider Mota and Hussain in the 1960s, and later went on to establish law firms, found law firms in Karachi and Dubai. Third individual who comes to mind is Professor Sugato Bose, presently the Gardiner Professor of History at Harvard. Bose was my tutor and PhD supervisor at the Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy in Boston. To Sugato Bose, I owe my profound appreciation of the role of political history in the formation and building of modern states. Next, Dr. Shamsul Bari, also a barrister, who spent a lifetime at the UN High Commissioner for Refugees in Geneva. And it is Dr. Bari who gave me my first big break at the United Nations that took me to places as diverse as Hong Kong and Washington, D.C., in my capacity as a legal consultant. This was the closest that I came to serving as an international civil servant and marks an outstanding phase in my professional life. My father, Barrister Syed Ishtiaq Ahmed, comes up next in my professional timeline. He not only instilled in me an unwavering commitment to the rule of law and constitutionalism, but also exemplified for me the values of integrity and public service. Last but not the least, the jurist par excellence, Mr. Mahmoodul Islam, who inspired me to appreciate the enduring impact of legal scholarship, encouraging me to value the creation and publication of legal treatises, which serve as a cornerstone for developing jurisprudence and guiding future generation of lawyers. Indeed, Barrister Syed Ishtiaq Ahmed and Mr. Mahmoodul Islam were lifelong professional associates.